This
Haritaki is
conference will now be recorded.
Haritaki is considered as a pathya. So in first slide only I have told you. So certain words are there in particular shlokas. Those words you have to focus, right? So Haritaki Pathyanam Sreshtham. Sri. For Sreshta, Sreshta means superior. In Pathya, Haritaki is the superior one. So in all the disease condition, you have to use Haritaki as a Pathya, right? So second reference is Haritaki Rasayani. See, only simple. Haritaki is Rasayani. For Rasayan purpose, you have to use Haritaki. So this is the reference of Bhav Prakash Nigantu. And next one is Haritaki hi Vayasah Stapani Param. For anti-aging purpose, Haritaki is considered as best one, and Haritaki is considered as superior one, right? So this is the shlokas, or this is the sutra for Haritaki. So simple. Haritaki Pathyanam Sreshtam. Pathya is nothing but the wholesome. Next one is Haritaki Rasayan. Rasayan means what? Rasayan is nothing but the antioxidant activity. So free radicals are generating in our body. So what do you mean by the free radicals? So free radicals are the atoms or the group of atoms with unpaired number of electrons. So they are called as the free radicals. So day by day, due to the air pollution, due to the water pollution, due to the food poisoning, right? So free radicals are generating in our body. So due to the free radicals, what will happen? Our lifespan will goes on decreasing, right? Graying of the hairs, wrinkling on the skins, so many signs and symptoms are there, or akal mrityu will be there. So it is all due to the free radicals. So free radicals are the atoms or group of atoms with unpaired number of electrons. So what particularly Rasayan drugs will do? For example, Haritaki is considered as Rasayan. Ashwagandha is considered as Rasayan, right? Shatavari is considered as a Rasayan. So Amlaki is considered as Rasayan. So many Rasayan drugs are there. So Rasayan drugs, what they will do? They will send their one electron to the free radicals and they will make them equal. So free radical process will reduces, right? So that's why Haritaki is considered as Rasayan. So for Vayastapan purpose, you have to use Haritaki and all. Clear? Next, coming towards the next drug, that is Bibitaki, right? So what do you mean by the Bibitaki? Everyone knows it, right? Haritaki, Bibitaki and Amlaki, it is coming under Triphala context. So Bibitaki, is one quotation is there from Dhanvantari Nigantu. Bibitaki hi kesha vruddhikarah para. Right. See, the Bibitaki is considered as kesha vruddhikara. Right. So kesha vruddhikaram param. So kesha vruddhikara means what? It increases your hair or hair growth for hair growth purpose, or it is mainly indicated in trichological disorders, right? For in particularly trichological disorders, we have to use Bibitaki. So this is the reference of Dhanvantari Nigantu. And what are the kesha drugs? So for example, Narikel is considered as a kesha, right? So many drugs are there, right? For example, jasmine is considered as a kesha. For example, almond is considered as a kesha. So many kesha drugs are there. Neeli is considered as a kesha. Brungraj is considered as a kesha. But no one knows Bibitaki kesha vruddhikaram param. So for example, Bibitaki, Terminalia bellerica is there. So particularly that Bibitaki is a Kesha Vruddhikara. Kesha Vruddhikara means one which increases your hair growth. So in a patients which are having the less hair growth, in such a condition you have to use Bibitaki, right? So that's why it is called as Bibitaki Kesha Vruddhikaram Param. But in a practice we are using, because our senior physicians are using Brungraj oil, okay, or Nili Brungyadi tel. That's why we are also giving those particular drugs. But particularly Dhanvantari Nigantu what told that Bibitaki hi Kesha Vruddhikaram Param. So for Kesha Vruddhi, for example, for promotion of your hair growth, you have to use Bibitaki, right? Next one is next shloka. Sarveshu Shwasakaseshu Kevalam Va Bibitakam. See what's the beauty of Vagbhat Chikitsa. Sarveshu Shwasakaseshu Kevalam Va Bibitakam. So for example, in a particularly asthma condition or particularly for kasa or coughing, Kevalam va bibitakam. Kevalam means only bibitaki. You have to give or you have to prescribe only bibitaki. Only bibitaki churna you have to give. So it will pacify Shwasa Vikara in asthma condition and Kasa, Kapha. So you are using various drugs, right? Various drugs for Shwasa and Kasa, but you are neglecting Bibitaki. So this is the beauty of Dravya Guna. This is the beauty of Dravya Guna Classic, right? So this is the beauty of Dravya Guna Sutra also. So simple, one line quotation is there for every drug. You have to read, but you have to collect all these references from various nigantus. So many nigantus are there. For example, in your syllabus only 3 nigantus are there, right? But apart from these 3 nigantus, so many nigantus are there, samhitas are there. So you have to collect such a beauty of Ayurveda from all these classics, right? See, third shloka is rasa asruga mausa medojan doshana hanti bibitaki, right? So this is the quotation from Charak Samhita Sutrastan. So what Acharya Charaka telling, what Acharya Charaka told, that rasa, for particularly rasa dhatu, rakta dhatu, maus dhatu and medo dhatu, right?
Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Hello?
Madam, is it visible?
Sir, your screen just remove the notifications on the screen. And the slides are not working.
स्क्रीन विजिबल नहीं होता, नेट
Now is it visible, ma'am?
Screen is visible, sir, but notification on the screen about that
Just
is
a minute.
visible.
सतीश,
Yes, sir.
आणि ते तुझ्या कॉल कुठला तरी आलाय तर तेच स्क्रीनवर दिसतंय आणि ते हरितकीची जी स्लाइड आहे तीच स्लाइड अजूनही आहे. पुढे
Okay, okay, okay.
नाही येते काहीतरी.
स्क्रीन त्याच्यामध्ये
Nice, no? Sir, shall I rejoin?
नो प्रॉब्लेम.
Okay, okay, sir. Done. Exit, ma'am. Sir, kindly give me access for sharing the screen.
1 second, no, Satish.
Yes, sir. Yes.
He's a presenter only.
ಆರ್ಗನೈಸರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡೋದ್ರಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ. ओके सतीश केलेलं आहे चेंज सेटिंग.
Sir, is it visible?
It is visible, but the screen is not clear. Yes, it's clear. You can continue.
Okay, sir. Thank you. So, sorry, there is a technical issues for network. So, what I was telling that Bibitaki, for example, Bibitaki is considered as a Kesha Vruddhikaram. So, there is a one reference that is Bibitaki Kesha Vruddhikaram Param in Dhanvantari Nigantu. So, for hair growth or for trichological disorder, you have to particularly you have to consider Bibitaki. For example, Bibitaki oil is also there in the market. So, for practicing purpose, you have to use Bibitaki. So, particularly we are neglecting such types of drugs in a practice because our senior physicians, they are using various drugs like Bhrungraj oil or Nili Bhrungyadi tel, and we are neglecting particular drugs like Bibitaki, right? So there is a one again quotation in Vagbhat Chikitsastan, that is Sarveshu Shwasakaseshu Kevalam Va Bibitaki, right? In Sarveshu Shwasakasa, in all the types of Shwasa and Kasa, we have to use Bibitaki only, right? And Charaka Samhita Sutrastan 27, there is one beautiful reference is there. Rasa Asruga Maunsa Medojan Doshana Hanti Bibitaki, right? For example, in Rasagata Vyadi, in Raktagata Vyadi, in Mausagata Vyadi, and in Medoja Vyadi, we have to use Bibitaki, right? So this is the beauty of our Ayurveda classics and Dravya Guna Sutra, right? So coming towards next drug, that is Dhatri. So everyone knows it. Dhatri is nothing but the Amlaki. So it is also one content of Triphala, that is Haritaki, Bibitaki and Amlaki. So many references are there. So I am giving only Sutra or Sutratmak Dravya Guna. Again, so many shlokas are there, but we are having so many drugs and we have to finish it up fast. So my intention of this guest lecture is to aware you all people to focus on particular drugs, right? So for example, rasah prashasate tesham rakta pitta visheshata, for example, in a hemorrhagic condition or in intrinsic hemorrhage, right? You have to use dhatri phala rasa. Dhatri is nothing but the amlaki, so everyone knows it. In rakta pitta condition, in urdhvaga rakta pitta, adhoga rakta pitta and tiryagata rakta pitta, right? In all the types of Rakta Pitta, you have to use only Amlaki juice. So this is the reference of Charak Chikitsa, right? So many Amlaki is a very huge drug, right? So many references are there regarding Amlaki, but we have to focus on only Sutratmak Dravya Guna. So this is a Sutra, like that. In Kai Chikitsa, in 4th year, you are biting the shlokas, right? Or Chikitsa Sutra for particular disease. For example, in Rakta Pitta, you are biting one Sutra, right? Likewise, in 2nd year only, you have to focus on this particular Sutra. This is called as a Sutratmak Dravya Guna, right? Next, Meheshu Dhatri Nishe, right? Mehe is nothing but the prameya. In diabetic condition, we have to use Dhatri and Nisha. So simple one quotation is there. Only 2-word quotation is there. Meheshu Dhatri Nishe. Dhatri is nothing but the Triphala, and Nisha is nothing but the Haridra, right? So Dhatri and Nisha, Haridra and Amlaki. You have to combine those two drugs only, and you have to prescribe to the patient of Prameya or diabetes, right? So this is called as a Chikitsa Sutra, right? Or this is called as a Dravyaguna Sutra. So particular drug is having particular sutra, and you have to focus on that, right? Vayasah stapane dhatri, right? Vayasah stapane dhatri. So again, dhatri is nothing but the Amlaki, and Amlaki is considered as a param vayas stapanam according to Bhav Prakash Nikant also, according to Charak also, and according to Ashtang Hruday also, right? So many references are there, but due to the restriction of time, I am focusing on only small shlokas, which will help you in a future perspective, right? So this is about Amlaki. So hope you are understanding these concepts. So sorry, there is a, I think font issue is there. So this drug is Dashamula, no issue. So everyone knows it. Huh? So what do you mean by Dashamula? So everyone knows Dashamula is nothing but it is the combination of Bruhat Panchamula and Lagu Panchamula. In Mishragan, Bruhat Panchamula are there. Bruhat Panchamula are there, and Lagu Panchamulas are also there, right? But we are reading only this much, that is Bruhat Panchamula and Lagu Panchamula is considered as Dashamula, but the concept of Dashamula is completely different. So what do you mean by the Dashamula? Dashamulam, Mahamulam. So they are considered as Mahamulam, right? Dashamulam, Mahamulam, Dashavidha Dhamani. So particularly they are acts on a Dashavahi Dhamanya, right? So Dashavahini Dhamanis are there, means Dashavahini Dhamanis are there in a Pranava Srotas and Rasava Srotas, right? So what do you mean by the Pranava Srotas? Pranavanam Srotasam Hruday Mulam, right? And Rasavahini Srotas and Pranava Srotas are nothing but the same. So Mool Sthan is Hruday. So Dashamula, particularly Dashamula, you are using it in Rasava Srotas also and Pranava Srotas also. Means in Rudagata Vyadhi, you are particularly using Dashamulam, right? For example, Acharya Priyavat Sharma told that is Dashamulam, Mahamulam, Baladanat, Vatashamnat, Dashendriya Granantvache iti Dashamulam. See, for example, Dashamula, why it is called as Dashamula? Because Dashendriya Dharanacha Dashamulam. Dasha Indriya Dharan. See, Dasha Indriya Dharan matlab Dasha Indriya. What are the Dasha Indriya? Pancha Jnanendriya and Pancha Karmendriya. So these drugs are Pancha Jnanendriya and Pancha Karmendriya combinedly called as Dashendriya, right? And where we are using Dashamula particularly, see, in paralysis patient, right? In Ardhangvat condition is there, or in a Pakshaghat is there, we are using Dashmulte, right? Our senior physicians are using Dashmula in paralysis condition. That's why we are prescribing Dashmula. So such conditions are there. But what is the main Dashmula means? What do you mean by Dashmula? Dashendriya Dharanache iti Dashmulam. So Pancha Jnanendriya, for example, see in a Pakshagata, Hasta Vikruti will be there, Pada Vikruti will be there, right? So Pancha Karmendriya Vikruti will be there, Hasta, Pada, Pani, Payu and Upasta, right? So these five are considered as Pancha Karmendriya. Also Pancha Jnanendriyas are also there. For example, Chakshu Indriya is there, Rasana Indriya is there, Shrotra Indriya is also there. So everyone knows it. So what do you mean by Dashamula? So Dashamula is not only Pancha, Bruhat Panchamula and Lagu Panchamula, but what is the main motto of Dashamula is Dashamulam. What is the main motto of Dashamul? So Dashendriya Dharanache iti Dashamulam. Dashendriya Dharan. So particularly Dashmula acts on Pancha Jnanendriya and Pancha Karmendriya, like Pakshaghat is there, right? So next one is Adrak. So I'm going little bit fast. So it's a very simple one, right? So what do you mean by Adrak? Everyone knows it, right? So ginger is considered as Adraka. So there is one quotation from Bhav Prakash Nigantu, that is simple, 2-line shloka is there. Bhojanagre sadapatyam lavana adraka bhakshanam, right? Bhojanagre sadapatyam. So you have to carry ginger along with you, right? Bhojanagre sadapatyam lavana. Lavana is nothing but the Saindav lavan. You have to carry one pouch of Saindav lavan, and you have to carry one adraka along with you daily, afternoon and evening, or at night meal. Bhojanagre sadapatyam. Pathya is nothing but the wholesome, right? Bhojan agre means before food you have to take. Sada means in all the season except two seasons are there. For example, in Sharad Rutu and Grishma Rutu, Pitta will be aggravated more. So you have to exclude these two Rutus. But every time, Bhojan agre sada pathyam. Sada means daily. Pathya is wholesome, right? So we have to take lavana, that is sendav lavan. You have to add some pinch of sendav lavana on adraka, and you have to chew it, right? And before every food, morning also and in night meal also, you have to take always bhojanagre sadapatyam lavana adraka bhakshanam. What it does? Agni sandipanam. It always enhances your agni. Rucham, it is ruchikara, and jiva kantha vishodhanam. Vishodhana is nothing but the cleaning, right? Jiva and kantha. So jiva and kantha cleaning. It will do the jiva and kantha shodhan. That's why you have to always use, right, ginger and sendava before food, right? So again, from Chikitsa Kalika, there is one reference. It is shunti is considered as visheshada amavata, right? In condition of amavata, you have to use shunti, right? Next one is kamalinam hitam sagudaha shunti. So kamala in jaundice, hita means hit kara, sagudaha shunti along with the guda you have to use it. Kamalina. For example, in jaundice you are using so many drugs. For example, Lev 52 is there, right? And Brungraj is there. So many hepatoprotective drugs are there, which are explained in Ayurveda classic. But what is the main motto? Shunti and guda. Guda is there in every home. Guda is nothing but the jaggery. Jaggery is available, but you have to eat in jaundice condition. Sagudaha shunti means you have to use jaggery along with the shunti, right? So this is the Chikitsa Sutra for Adraka, right? Next drug is Chavya. So many drugs are there, but I am focusing on only few drugs, 15 to 20 drugs I am finishing in this, but 250 drugs are there for your CCM syllabus, and so many drugs are also there in practice. But what's your work from today onwards? While reading particular drug, for example, your Dravaguna teacher will teach you any drug, Haritaki, Bibitaki, Amlaki, Adrak, so many drugs are there, 250 drugs are there. So you have to select, or you have to choose one sutra, and one sutra is there in each and every drug. For example, Chavyam Visheshata Gudjapaham. In Gudagata Vyadhi, so many Gudaj Vyadhi are there. For example, hemorrhoids are there. Arsha is there. Fisher in Ano is there, right? So many Gudaj Vyadhis are there. But Chavya is neglected drug. No one is using Chavya in Ayurveda practice, right? So Chavyam Visheshat means specially it is indicated for Gudaj Vyadhi. For example, in Gudaj Vyadhi, you are using what? You are giving Suranavatak. So many seniors or so many physicians are giving Suranavatak. That's why you are giving Suranavatak, right? So Chavya is there. Charak Samhita Sutrastan, there is one reference. Chavyam Visheshat Gudajapaham. In Gudaj Vyadhi, particularly, you have to use Chavya, right? So this is called as a sutra. So coming towards next drug, Rason. So everyone knows Rason, right? So Balavarna Karo Meda Hito Netriam Rasayanam. So Rason is nothing but the garlic. Everyone knows it. So it is considered as Balakara, Varnakara, right? So it gives the strength, it gives the Varna. Varna is nothing but the complexion. So it increases the complexion, or it is a complexion enhancer drug, Varnakara. Meda Hito Netre Hitam. So Varnakara, for complexion enhancing purpose, you are using only Kumari, you are using only Haridra, right? So for particularly Varna, if any patient is want to increase his complexion level, you have to prescribe Rason, right? Or you have to tell him that in a food you have to eat Rasona, or you have to eat garlic. Next is C. It is Medahita. Medahita means it is a intellect promoter. Already, you everyone knows it. Intellect promoter drugs are Shankhapushpi, Manduparni, Brahmi, Jyotishmati, and you are using same drug right? So in previous slides only I have told that is Triphala is act as a Medhakara Smrutikara. So for Medha, to increases the intellect, to increases the Smruti, you have to use Triphala. So Triphala is drug of choice for Medhakara. Again, according to Bhav Prakash Nigantu, Rason is the drug of choice for Medahita. Medahita means intellect promoter. One who wants to increases the intellectual level, they have to eat garlic, right? Rasa and purpose, garlic is useful. Next one is quotation from Vrunda Madhav. Tasya ashu nasyate hi vata roga. In vataja vyadhi, right? So there are 80 types of vataja vyadhis are there. So in any vataja vyadhi, you have to prescribe rason. Any rason kshirpak, you give rason kshirpak. Otherwise, in food, you tell patient to eat garlic more, right? From Kashyak Samhita, again two references are there. See, Lashunah Paramah Kayagni Deepakah. Lashun is considered as Param Kayagni Deepaka. Kayagni Deepaka is nothing but the appetizer, right? So Kayagni means one which increases your digestive fire is called as a Kayagni. So Lashun is Param. Param is nothing but the superior. So Lashun or garlic is considered as a Param Kayagni Deepaka, right? So you have to use Lashun in such a condition. Next one is Lashunah Param Vayastapanam. So in previous slides, I have told you that is Haritaki is considered as Vayastapana, Amlaki is considered as Vayastapana, or Vayastapana Dashamani is there according to Charak. But one who are using garlic in your day-to-day practice or in food purposes daily, it will act as a Param Vayastapanam. So one who wants an anti-aging effect or wants to live up to 100 years, you have to use Lashun daily, right? So this is the sutra. This is called as a Sutratmaka Dravya Gun, right? So next drug, Bakul. So everyone knows it, Bakul, right? So Danta Shulharam Proktam Pradhanat Idam Aushadam. So I am trying to cover all the systems. That's why I have choose such a types of a drug. See, Danta Shulharam. For example, Danta Shula. If you are getting a toothache, right? In toothache, everyone knows it, Lavanga, right? No one practice Bakul. If you are getting a toothache, everyone, or it is considered as a home remedy. You are using lavang, but rather than lavanga, danta shula haram proktam pradhanat idam aushadam. Pradhan is nothing but the superior. So in danta shula, in particularly toothache, pradhanat idam aushadam, it means particularly pradhan is superior medicine is danta shula. So there are one reference also for brushing purpose who are using the bakul up to the 100 years, their tooth will not fall, right? So this is one reference. Then why you are using Colgate, why you are using Pepsodent? So many toothpaste are there in market, but in Ayurveda classic, if such a references are there, you have to use, right? You have to tell to your patients also, and you have to use for your family members and to yourself also, right? So Danta Bhavati Chapala Api Vajratulya. See, this is Vaidik Jeevan reference. Danta Bhavati Chapala. Api hi Vajratulya. So your teeth will become like Vajra, right? So your teeth will become like a diamond if you are using Bakula in your day-to-day practice. Everyone are using, for example, Nimbakast is using for Danta Dhavan. Khadir is there. So many references are there. Khadir is there. Karanj is there, right? Bakul is there. So there is a one reference of Vaidik Jivan, that is Danta Bhavati Chapala Api Vajratulya, right? So if you want that your teeth should become like a Vajra or a diamond or strong, then you have to use Bakul, right? Next one is Garjara. So Garjar means carrot. Everyone knows it. Shote hai shakarti naam, shakamiti prashastam. See, shota, because Garjar, Garjar is carrot. So carrot is Ushna Viryatmak drug, right? So shote hai shakarti naam, shaka iti hi prashastam. So in particularly shota, in Tridoshajanya shota will be there, or in any shota. right? You have to use garjar, or carrot you have to take it, right? Next one is from Charak Samhita, Grahi Grunjano Koho Tikshno, Vata Sleshma Arsha Samhitam. In particularly Vataja Arsha or hemorrhoids, Vataja hemorrhoids, and Sleshma, that is Kafaja Arsha. In Vataja and Kafaja Arsha, you have to use Grunjana, that is Grunjan is nothing but the carrot, and carrot is acts as a Grahi, right? So next drug is Karavellaka, right? See, Karavellaka, everyone knows it, and in your syllabus is also there. So Karavelli Rakto Dosha Hari Chasa, right? So it is a neglected drug, or so many people are not taking at all. For example, especially girls, they are neglecting this drug, or no one makes vegetable out of Karavellaka, right? So it is a bitter gourd. So it is in a bitter taste. That's why no one is using. But see what Rajnikantu told: Karavalli Rakta Dosha Hari Chasa. For example, if person or patient is suffering from Rakta Dosha or Raktaja Vyadhi, right? In Charak Sutra 28, there is various disorders they have given, right? Karavalli Rakta Dosha Hari Chasa means in Raktaja Vyadhi or in Rakta predominant Vyadhi, you have to use Karavalli, right? Next reference is from Chakradatta, Karavellakam Jwaritaya Shakhartam Pradapaye. For example, Tikta. Tikta Rasa is mainly acts as a Jwaragna, right? So it is a basic sutra of Dravyaguna, first paper. That is Tikta Rasa is Jwaranashak. So Karavellak is having predominantly Tikta Rasa Pradhan. That's why Karavellakam Jwaritaya Shakhartam Pradapaye. For in Jwara condition, you have to make a vegetable of Karavellak, right? Because everyone, see, you are using Guduchi, right? Guduchi is a Tikta Rasatmak. You are using various drugs are there. See, in a Jwara context, if you are seeing the drugs, they are mostly Tikta Rasatmak. For example, Guduchi Ganavati you are using, right? Sudarshana Ganavati you are giving. So Sudarshana, Guduchi. Why Sudarshana Guduchi? Because Tikta Rasa. So that is Dravya Guna Sutra. So that is Tikta Rasa is particularly useful in a Jwara condition. In any type of fever, you give Tikta Rasa. And Karavellak is having Tikta Rasatmak. Karavellakam Jwaritaya Shakartam Pradapet. For example, in any Jwara condition, you tell your patient use Karavellaka or any Tikta Rasatmak vegetable, right? See, next drug is Narikel. So everyone knows it. Narikel is nothing but the coconut, right? See, Suryavarta Ardhava Bhedakyo Niram Va Narikel Jalam. See, what the beauty of Chakradatta. Suryavarta condition and Ardhava Vedaka, right? Niram Va Narikel Jalam. Simple. You have to prescribe Narikel Jalam. In Suryavarta condition and Ardhava Vedaka condition, you are telling your patient Nasya, right? Massage, Sirodhara, you are giving Basti, you are giving Viration. But what Chakradatta told? Narikel Jalam. You give your patient only Narikela Jala. Suryavarta Ardhava Vedakayo Niram Va Narikela Jalam. And see the results. Right? In a Suryavarta condition and in Ardhava Vedaka condition, you have to prescribe only Narikela Jalam. Right? Next one is Narikela Phalam Shitam Durjaram Basti Shodhanam. In Basti Shodhanam, Shodhan is nothing but the clarifies. Basti Shodhanam. It acts as a Basti Shodhanam. For Basti Shodhanam, you are giving various drugs like Gokshuru you are giving, right? For example, Punarnava you are giving, but rather than those drugs, Narikela Jala is Bhav Prakash told that it is considered as Basti Shodhanam. It mainly acts on urinary tract disorder, right? Next one is Bala Mausa Pradam Rudyam Bruhanam Basti Shodhanam. See here one word is there, Rudyam. So Narikela Jala is considered as a Rudya, cardiotonic. In cardiac patient, please prescribe coconut water, right? If anyone is suffering from angina or any cardio or cardio related disorders like supraventricular tachycardia is there, right? So many disorders conditions are there. You only prescribe one coconut water. It acts as a Rudya, cardiotonic, right? Bruhanam Basti Shodhanam, I have already explained you, right? Next one is Narikela Udakam Deepanam Basti Shodhanam. See, it is a Deepana, it is appetizer, and Basti Shodhanam, right? So I'm going little bit fast because only 5 minutes left, I think so. So Trapusa is there. See, Trapusam Rakta Pitta Haram Param. Everyone knows it, Trapus, right? Next quotation is from Raj Nigantu. Ervarukam Krucha Ashmari Prashamanam. Right? Everyone knows it. Trapusa or Khira, it is called as Khira, or in Marathi it is called as Kakadi. It is available in market also. Right? Krucha Ashmari Prashamanam. See, Ashmari Prashamanam. For Ashmari Prashamanam, this particular drug is very widely useful, right? Ervaru is nothing but the trapus, right? Or cucumber. Kruchaha Ashmari Prashamanam. Ashmari is nothing but the urinary calculi, right? So in a calculi, you have to prescribe cucumber, or you have to eat that particular drug. For example, if any patient come towards you, you are prescribing him Hajral Yug, otherwise Gokshuradi, right? Otherwise Punarnavadi, Varunadi. You are giving so many drugs, or Cystone you are giving, or Miri you are giving, but for Pathya purpose, you have to tell your patient that you have to eat Trapusa. That is, you have to eat cucumber. Daily one cucumber you have to give. So this is a sutra. Ervarukam Krucha Ashmari Prashamanam. For example, Krucha. So Mutra Krucha in dysuria condition also, and in Ashmari condition also, you have to prescribe this type of drugs. Right. So Panas is there, right? So many Pushkar sir, time is there, or shall I stop?
Hello?
Pushkar sir?
So yes, sir, you
Yes,
can
ma'am.
continue.
Okay, no, madam. Yes, ma'am. I will take 5 minutes hardly.
Okay, sir.
So again, next drug is Panasa, right? So Panasa Drabyanim cha Payasaha Saha Viruddham, right? So Panasa, everyone knows it. Panasa is nothing but the jackfruit, right? Panasaha Drabyani cha Payasaha Saha Viruddham. One should not consume Panasaha Drabyani. Panasa Drabyani means not only Panasa, all the types of fruits. Payasaha Saha Viruddham. So one should not consume. Now there is a latest trend that you are taking milk juices, right? For example, banana juice. So many drugs you are taking. So ho panasaha dravyanim cha payasaha saha viruddham, right? So one should not consume panasa along with milk, right? Visheshadaha panuso varjo gulmi b mandavani b. Visheshada panuso. See, visheshad means particularly panasa or jackfruit. One should not consume in a condition of gulma or Agnimand, right? Panas jackfruit is majoritarily it is available in South India, right? So they are consuming it, but particularly in Agnimandya condition, one should not consume panasa. Next one is panasam grahicha durjaram phalam. Durjara is nothing but it is very difficult to digest, so one should not consume panasa. Right. Next drug is amra. See, amram, pakvam amram. Pakvam amram means one which is a ripe mango or ripened mango. It is jayat vayu. Vayu means one which pacifies the vata dosha. Mausa shukra balapradam. For example, it is the best drug in a condition of mausagata vyadhi, shukragata vyadhi, and bala. It provides the strength. Right. So for bruhana purpose, it increases mouse dhatu, particularly it increases mouse dhatu and shukra dhatu. For example, if you are focusing on particularly mouse and if you are particularly focusing on shukra, you have to give ripe mango, right? So coming towards discussion and conclusion. So what is the motto of Dravya Guna Sutra? So I have already explained you what is the sutra. Sutra is nothing but the one quotation. Dravya Guna Sutra or Sutratmak Dravya Guna. So that quote which is related to Dravya Guna classic, it is called as Dravya Guna Sutra. So already in first slide only I have told you why we have to do such a homework, or why we have to recall this shloka, because you are biting the shlokas. If I will ask you some shlokas of rasa, madhur rasa, you will tell. If I will ask you the shlokas of Madhura Vipaka, you will tell, right? Or if I will ask you the quotation of Prabhava, you will tell. But if I will ask you the quotation of Trapusa, you may not tell, right? So why this particular topic you have to understand? Because Swalpasya Kala, because we are having very limited time. In your second year, you are getting only 1 year, and in 1 year you have to read 250 drugs. So it is very difficult for teacher also to finish 250 drugs in 1 year, along with Dravya Guna first part and Dravya Guna second part, right? Swalpasya Kala, only limited time is there, and you may not know at what time you may die, right? Because this is a Kali Yuga. You may die anytime, and Swalpasya Kala. That's why we are having very limited time. Bahavasya Vidya. See, Vidya is more. Bahavasya Vidya. Bahavasya Vidya means Charak Samhita is there, Shushruti is there, Vagbhat is there. So many Nigantu, more than 50 Nigantus are there, right? So Bahavasya Vidya, if you will go to your library, so many books are there related to Ayurveda classics and modern classics, right? But Yat Sarabhutam, that's why we have to read Yat Sarabhutam, that essence we have to take, and Tad Upasitavyam. Tad Upasitavyam means we have to use it in day-to-day practice, right? So this is the main motto of Dravya Guna Sutra or today's topic, right? So thank you very much, all the organizers, principal, vice principal, organizing committee members, and whole SBJ Ayurveda College for providing me such opportunity. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. And we have a few queries, sir, here.
Yes, madam.
Like one question is how Narikela will be Deepana Karma when it is having Madhura Rasa, Madhura Vipakas, Gurus Nitya Guna and Shita Virya?
Yes, madam. There is one reference of Raj Nigantu, that is Narikela Jala is considered as a Deepaniya, right? So in little quantity we have to take it because it is a Jaliya Mahabhuta Pradhana Narikela Jala. It doesn't mean that we have to take it in a excess quantity. Here matra, concept of matra we have to understand, and we have to take a little bit, right? For example, if you are consuming water, rather than water you have to drink Narikela Jala.
Okay, and the same related to Narikela only, sir. One more, like how usually in our classics there will be a Amla Rasa will be having Rudya Guna, and how this Madhura Rasa will be like Rudya action.
See, the Amla Rasa is having particular property. What? Amlam Rudyanam. So there is a one context of Charak Samhita Sutrasthan, Amlam Rudyanam. And if you go through one topic, that is Rasabhedi of Ashtanga Hruday. So what it told, that Amla Rasa is having particularly Teja Mahabhuta Pradhana. So particularly it acts as a digestive. And Narikela Jala, if you see the properties of Narikela Jala, it is a very lagu, right? And it is a Rochana Deepana Karma, and in those particularly action it acts as a Vatanulomaka, and it will act as a Rudya.
Okay. And one more is like how many drugs will be having a similar guna karma, like Deepaniya, Hrutya, and Medha, Vasahara and all. Is there any criteria to select the particular drug for that particular action?
Yes, madam. For particularly Deepana and Pachana, you have to understand the Panchabhautikatva of particular drugs. For example, Jirak is acts as a Deepana Pachana, right? So many drugs are there. For example, Marich is there, Pipli is there. So here we have to understand one concept of Panchabhautikatva. So the drugs which are related to the Tejas Mahabhuta Pradhana, we have to use that one along with Vayu Mahabhuta and Akash Mahabhuta. So one which helps for igniting the Agni. So you have to focus on Agni as well as Vayu Mahabhuta Pradhan. There is a one reference of Sushruta Sutrasthan.
Okay, sir. Like based on Panchabhautikatva, we have to select the drugs.
Yes, madam.
Okay. There
If
one
that
more, like,
particularly drug, yes.
Sir.
Yes, please tell.
Sir, there is one more, like in Amamata, which Rasonadi Kalpa will be more useful, like one query.
Yes, in Amavata condition, I have told you that Shunti. So Shunti is particularly useful. So you have to choose Ushna Viryatmak and Madhrupaki drugs in condition of Amavata. So for example, Siyanath Gugul is there, Shunti is there. So one Vrunda Madhav reference I have already told you, that is Amavate Sagudaha Shunti. Like that, such drugs we have to select. So in this quotation Dravya Guna Sutra, I have told you only one drug. So many drugs are there. So you have to the students have go through all this Amavata context, and they have to select or choose particular shlokas for particular disease condition.
Okay, sir. And once again, thank you, sir, for accepting our invitation and giving your valuable time.
Okay, madam. Okay.
Thank you, sir, for explaining the significance of Dravaguna Sutra in a clinical practice and covering most of the systems in a limited time. Thank you once again, sir.
Thank you, madam.
And next session we'll be having at 12 o'clock, and the link will be sent in your. Please be on.